Oh my gosh! Papa, maingit ka dito. Papa, look! Father! Eh! Thank you po! I love it!
Wala, meron pa isa.
Ay, wow! Not one but two! Two!
Ano yan? Ito sa akin.
Ay, sa akin. Thank you. Thank you. Gusto mo isang dahon ng Christmas tree? Pwede ba? Hey. Ah! Cute! Walang ka, I like. Thank you ah. Thank you po. I-wear ko na to kagad tomorrow. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay na lang po.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Rain siya nga ang bago. Oh my god. A vest but make it my style.
Oh.
I love it. Thank you. Do you watch anime? A few lang. Happy birthday to you tomorrow.
Paano malalaman po
Ay,
ito?
Oo. Kailangan sukat.
Gano'n yung mag-transfer?
oh my, ang galing nyo guys. Thank you.
Gano'n yung mag-transfer? Dito sa akin.
Tanto kay Miss Van.
Oh! It's there no to the ano. Wow, thank you. Thank you guys. Shout out Lydell. Shout out Rigor. Hi guys. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Crazy kayo po. Thank you for all the blessings.
Crazy.
Ay, crazy in a good way. This is... Ito lang, hindi ko ma-offend. Teka, may
Hindi ka mabuti.
Oo nga eh, kailangan ko pa naman ng bags. Thank you guys. Paano niyo alam yung mga ano ko?
Kasi ano ka na doon, nag-t-shirt ka na lang na ginupit-t-shirt.
Nabutan ang kamit. Yan, t-shirt na lang.
Okay, teka minute. Eh! Rinig ko tot na! Rinig yun. Sige, sasaluhin ko for you. Ako mo yung mamotot. Ah! Thank you po! Thank you! I love! Ano ito, green? Green ba? Oh, wow, what a nice way of being green. Thank you po! Where did I buy my shirt? This is old, no? Cebu pa to. Just on TikTok. Online. Thank you, guys. Bakit heavy to? Without you. Wow. So, bigat nito. Ah. Akin ba to? Yeah, it is.
Oh my God, lagay sila na resibo kasi baka pag gusto mo ipa-change yung size.
Ano sabi? Editor.
Hindi nga.
Sabi daw.
Hindi nga i-edit yun eh. Roll lang yun.
Sige ako. Punta ka sa billboard niya ni Therese. We will try po tomorrow. Rain Reyes. Oh, good luck sa finals niyo tomorrow. I heard it's usually tomorrow. Good luck, guys. Ah, it's books, oy. Oh. Ah! Alam ko to ah. Ha. Parang mas natuwa mama ko. Let's read this together. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Kasi, nagbabasa pa ako before PBB. Pero, hindi crazy, parang hindi always. Tapos nung pumunta ako sa Pero Pero nung pumunta ako sa PBB, mas nag-read talaga ako doon kasi wala kami magawa doon eh. So, thank you. Na-interested na ako sa reading eh. And then, you gave me pag-gift. So, thank you guys. This is all.
Magaganda to yung mga binigay ko sa'yo. Mga answer self-improvement. Pero ito, ano naman to? The shower.
I know that.
Kasi yan, pag
Sikat yun, di ba?
mo, yung ano, hindi mo na ma-stop.
Oh! Meron si ano nito? Oh! Nag-stop ko na school, hindi. Nag-try ako to get back on. Ihabol ko yung first sem. Oh my God. Rain, matulog ka na. After mag-unbox. Kanos akabalik diri lamak. Kapit na.
Wow! Sabi mo ba sa akin, maganda naman mo. Self-improvement. Ooh! Another tip.
Uy!
Ayan.
Ito, alam mo to, di ba Rich Dad Poor Dad? Ay, I like that.
Oh, galing.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you po. Here, oh. Take it. Ah! May kapatya ka dito! Next!
Ano ba yan na?
Ay! Scarves! Uy! Uy! You know me na talaga. You know me na. Thank you. Hala. May usables ko. Bakit? Pansin niyo bang dalawa lang yung scarf ko? Wow, thank you.
Napansin talaga nila siguro.
Wow, nice choices pa dyan. Thank you guys. Oh, I like this. Wow! Amazing nyo. Thank you. Kantahin nyo yung... Ano sa? Wow. Galing ah. Thank you guys. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Actually, no way. No way. No way, no way. Ay, asan yun? Asan yung scissors?
Hindi sa yalim mo.
Wala mong good.
Sus Marius.
Ay! Sus Marius eh. Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh! Oh! I like... OMG.
Right, right.
I like... Oh my god. Oh my gosh, thank you. Ayo. Thank you guys. Okay, dyan muna siya. Mistletoe by J. I'll try. Good luck for your exams tomorrow. Take a minute. Thank you guys. I like this one. Oh, thank you. Thank you po. Okay. Next up we have this. Wait a minute. You wanna see? Okay. What a weird angle. Okay, let's go. Wow! This is matchy lagi. This is for... Oh. Thank you! I like birds feet. Temo. This one was given by reindeers. Star. Mama, isang good luck daw, Tita Jen.
Good luck!
Wow, cute. I'm gonna wear this. Look cute. Look cute. Look cute. Hello. Wala na siya. If you ever leave me, baby. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you guys. Grabe, you're so galante, grabe. You can just give me one man. Tapos, ang dami ko na nakaano. Ah! Thank you. Ay, crispy yun ah. Drink water eh. Oh! Cute! Cute! Thank you so much. You want? You want? Thank you so much! Okay, go. Parang ay na dyan. Go with me. So many. Okay, reveal. Ah! I like lamps for my room. I love, I can imagine. Ah! Rain! It's a cloud with rain, oh. Ah!
Ah!
Thank you so much. I'll put this in my room. In the future. Think they can understand. Thank you. This is from Ate C. Ate C? C-E-E? Thank you.
May Ate A, may Ate P. Kulang na lang Ate B. Ay, Ate B. Ate Bianca.
There'll be no sunlight if I should be. Wow! Wow! The mini bag. The mini bag. Wow! Thank you!
Oh, nice.
Look cute siya. Thank you! Wow! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, punta ako sa billboard tomorrow. Pero hindi pa namin alam mo time. We'll just let you know. Thank you so much! Thank you so much, Ate C. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Ay! This one from Ate C as well. Don't you say... Aw, Green Forest. So smart, so witty. Green Forest. Green Forest. You get it?
Hindi.
Thank you so much. Huh? Good luck, Mira daw, ma. Oh! Thank you, Jazz B8. Oh, Harry Jarian Blues. I just met you. Thank you.
Hi, Jared.
Solo TikTok dance.
Now. Now.
Tomorrow? Mag-crop pa muna kayo.
Kaya, pero dami in-open na, gifts.
Roma.
Walang
Grabe, bashers ko, parents ko. Tomorrow po.
Now.
Kaya, daming gift po.
Okay. Shout out. Yung bashers there, quiet. Shout out, Team Rachel and Sambagan. Stay matibay, kalog and wild. Humaba pa ang buhay niyo katulad ng masamang damo. Girl, sama ni sila. Wow, hi Team Rachel and Sambagan. Shout out admin, Boss Me Boyez, Lalisa 27, Canadian Yu Kim, Daddy Bianca, ulang big winner ko, Sujung. Hello guys. Hi. Hello po Marie. Hello po Grain Forest. Tetsuya, Straw Hottie, Pretty or Not, unsa? Pretty or Not? Pretty or Not? Wala, hindi ko yan kasalanan. Hello, Snoopy Dog. Hello, Churs. Hello, My Sunshine. Hello, Jongsa. Hello, Kay. Hello, Supermawa. Hello, Aster. And, hello, Denden Lazaro. Hello, Gummy Bear. Pasend na lang Rain here. Ay, isi-send pala. Ay, hi guys. Take a minute. Wait lang. Hello, Reina. We hope that you open these boxes when you have time to go on live. Perfect! I'm live! Okay. So nag-send ng message nito, hello, kasi I'm live. Let's go. Let's go.
Are you there?
Are you there? Are you there? Oh, I love the box. There's a star. Star. Picture. Hello, Reina Jan. Please use this box. I put all your memorabilia in. Bro, you didn't have to tell me I was gonna do that. Kasi cute ng box. Alam niya I like pictures. Kaya ang binigay niya sa akin, pictures and a box. Wow, so many. Take a minute. Mag-like din. Oh! Hala! Thank you. Bakit? Alam niyo bang broken? Alam niyo broken? Alam niyo broken?
See?
Oo. It's very gutted. Hala kayo! You know it's broken? Hala ka! You know it's broken? Hala ka! Thank you. Wow! Wala, legit. Maraming pictures. Parang buong stay ko to ng PBB Come.
Wow, ang ganda.
Oh, pinamili ha. Thank you.
Aww. The trio. Kay Rain Reese.
Wow, pinrint nila.
Akiyo. Oh, the other trio, oy. Little PBB sinigang mix. Mga bisdak. Let's go. O, two teens.
Matutukin sa akin dyan.
Sino?
Yeah.
O, two teens gani. Siya ang pinaka-winner dyan. Okay. Hi, Fiang. If you're watching, nakatulog ka na actually. Hala, should I go through everything? Wow! I like star. Ay, naman ko nagulat. Oy! Paano niyo alam it's broken? Crazy lagi. Ay, ulit. Sorry. Thank you. Where ko na to? Star. I love. Okay. Short ano. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Paano ko ba i-show everything? Ututin! Oh, Jaren. Kita ko to. Ba't mukha ko galit? Kita mo yan? Ikaw
diba? Dami bumoto niyan.
Ano bumoto niyan?
Pag pinupost ko, sino pang hindi nakaboto? Tapos bumuboto sila. Kita ko kayo, sabi niya.
Rain, may tanong ako. Anong tanong mo? Fiang Rain, Kai Rain. Our big winner. Ito, gusto mo to
Yeah, cute.
Oh. So dami. Ala, I like it. Dami kong pictures.
Oo nga.
I like ututins. I like ututins. Kita mo yung ano ma, yung ganito? Yung ano ba? Sa mga mall show, ginagawa niyo itong malaki tapos dinadamitan niyo pa. Oh my gosh, nakaka-distract sa performance.
Sana totoo.
Oo, kasi una, green na t-shirt na reindeer. Sunod, naka-jacket na siya, uy. Ano na sunod?
May nakatay na.
Oo, dapat
Scarf?
OOTD na ha. Hi, Ate Colette. Long time no see. Naglaba ka na ba ng iyong panty? Tito. Let's go. Wow. Parang di ako to. Tama.
Isa.
Mama! Shout out daw, Tita Jen.
Shout out, Tita Jen.
Ikaw yung Tita Jen! Second big winner. Oh, thank you guys. Baby task. The other trio. The trio. Ano tawag dito? Kairin Fiang Rain Kai, Fiang Kairin. Oh, yun. Tatlo na yun Ate Noemi. Hi, Ate Noemi. I miss you. Ay, cute ito. I love it. The party, I love it. Hi, Grain Forest. Bistak. Ate Jolie. Hi, Ate Jolie. I love talaga. Two teams. Alam mo ba? This is my first time ever doing my own makeup in here. Ito yun. Ako lang here. So, crazy na nagustuhan niyo kasi first time. Nagpataka lang ako. You know, pataka? Pataka, like whatever lang ako. Good job. Ate Colette. I miss you. See you tomorrow. Oh, cute. Big four with Ate B. So cute. So many. Excuse me. Don't worry. You can turn up po. Okay. Sana much you... I'll do video greetings. Ay, I'll do it here na lang ah. Oh my God, thank you. Most interesting. So for video greetings, hi Marie, hi Ate C, hi Yukim, hi Ulan, big winner ko. Yeah. Hindi ko na lang po i-send kasi here na eh. Thank you po. Or should I pa rin? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Sheila May Salcedo. Hello po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Ganito siya. I like this one kasi it's a big box. Memorabilia indeed. What's ito? Letters. I'll read letters privately. I love letters. Thank you guys. This is letter din. Hello, cute. What letters? Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Anto ka na? Hey, yo. Little love. Ano siya, my girl love. Ano, bakit ang dami yung... Ano? Ito, short. Happy 18th birthday. Thank you for being alive and you joined PBB. Thank you for being part of my 2024. Please be happy and more blessings to come. Pray, ingat ka palagi. I love you and God bless. Ate Riri, Sky Sterling. Aww. Thank you po. Thank you for supporting me. I love you guys. Okay, I'll read the long na from. Kasi I will read this privately. Your loving fans, Team Rain Chalans Ambagan. K-Live, Kyrene Homies. Thank you. I will read. Shoutout Pangasinan. I just... Gikan lang ako there. Gikan lang ako there. We love you so much. Ngayon dyan sa mga. Team Rain Chalans Ambagan. Thank you guys. I will read later. Okay. Thank you so much for this. Wait, ipot ko din. So thoughtful. So thoughtful. So thoughtful. So smart. So smart. Next up. Heavy to. One. Thank you. This is Kyrene. Hello, we hope that you open this. So, parang same siya kanina ba? But Kyrene. Hala ka cute. Erasers. Ay! Kaya pala tinapay. Tinapay ng erasers ba? Oh. Ay, wow! It's for journaling. Thank you. Wala yung things ko here. Nasa Cebu. So, perfect. Oh my gosh!
Ah, may star.
Cute! Asan yun? Oh my gosh! What if water ka mothered you? Hala ka! Hala ka! Baka dito para sa akin pala. Hala ka! Ay! Nakalimutan mas pala. Kasi, sabi. Oops. Ah, okay. We'll open together. We'll open together pala. Oopsie-doopsie-doops. Thank you so much! Invite niyo Kuya La. Bakit Kuya like that? Uy. This one. Hala ka, thank you! Kasi nagbay ako ng white pants, tapos hindi pala siya loose. Masikip siya sa may po. So, this is perfect! Perfect! Thank you po. Guys, i-watch niyo yung ano ko. Yung pinost ko Del Monte. May ako bago ba yan? May ako bago. Kita mo? Panood mo?
Yeah.
Ano flavor?
Dalawa na.
Ano flavor nung la?
Apple lychee.
Wow! May mami sa fan. Thank you so much! Sorry. Wait. Wow! Thank you! Hey, you guys know me na talaga. Kilala niyo ako. Thank you po. Wow, it's another color. Green. Thank you so much! Thank you. Love you guys. Ooh. Thank you guys. Dami ko ng bottoms. Thank you. Isang good luck Mira, Tita Jen. Kulang Mira pala.
Good luck, Mira.
Wow.
From Tita Jen.
Post mo look mo sa Jensen tomorrow. Kasi dami ko na post today. This one. Oh, big version ng kanina.
Oh,
How cute!
may baby with her.
Wow! Mother and daughter. Kumakamuga mo.
Oh, yung mataba. Yung malaki.
Sabi ka naman. Wow! Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Magsamahin mo na sila.
Maguguba. Bili na yan. Thank you. Oh, it's so soft pa, Jude. I like that. Oh, cute. Sino dyan nyo yan? Na magnanay? Sino dyan nyo? Cute lagi. Okay. Hey, I like this. For Reina Jen. Thank you, guys. No way. No way. Nasa cart ko to. Took a minute. Oh my gosh. It's in my cart. What do you mean card? Nasa list ko to buy. Thank you guys. Thank you. I love. Okay. Oh my gosh, I was gonna say, meron ako nito. Pero it's short sleeve version. Wow! Galing niya talaga!
Oo nga, akala ko din.
Wow! Thank you! Hala! Gusto ko kaya boxy na short sleeve na loose. Perfect! You know me na talaga! I love you all! Oh my God! Wow! Ang galing niya. TBH talaga. TBH. TBH. Wow! Blackbird. Wow! Thank you so much! Ay, it's long sleeve. This one. Oh, thank you! Grabe! Thank you, guys! Thank you. Galing niyo talaga. I love you all. Thank you. Okay, okay. We got last two. What if mag-water ko? Hey! This one. This one? Was it this one? Si ate nagbigay sa akin ito. She cried ba yan? Ni-reveal. Thank you po. Ay, sana mag-ask ko yung name niya. Don't cry na ate. Kasi di niya daw ako na... Ano? Sa billboard.
Ay, saan yung sa Guadalupe siguro?
Oh!
Yung umuulan?
Sorry. Tomorrow, baka mag-see tayo. Thank you, ate.
Eh, online sila, yung nagatid.
Dili. Hello, wow! Kanay's handwriting. Ganda. From Ate Karin. Ano yung shoutout mo kanina? Ako yung shoutout mo kanina. Sana you remember to. Ate Karin. Hello, Ate Karin. I'll read your message along with the other letters later. Say, gusto ko Mag emo time alone. You know, emo. Ah! Hala ka cute. What's this, ma? Ka cute. My star, tas my name ko. Oh my God, cute. Saan ba to luggage? Oh, perfect. Perfect kaya.
Ang sabag mo na lang.
Thank you. Actually, sa luggage, papunta sa Buanga. Oh, thank you. Gusto ko ulit. What's this one? Luggage yun, di ba? Tama, right? Ito ma, what's this for? Madam. Aww. My music note and then the rain. Thank you. Ano ba pa? Pang passport ba to? O ano? Wow, ang ready mo ate. Thank you po. Thank you. See you sa Buanga. I'm gonna use this.
Si Ate C daw, yung nagpa-billboard sa New York.
Oh my God! Oo nga po pala.
Ate C.
Hi Ate C. Thank you po sa pa-billboard po. No, is it Ate C? Talaga?
Ate.
Or siya yung nag-organize?
Ate C, yung nagpa-billboard sa New York. Hi, Ray.
Ulit ako. Oh, hi. Thank you guys po. I saw the billboard po sa New York City. Crazy yun! Crazy kasi meron ako chika. Nung grade 11 ako, I'm supposed to go to New York ba? For Naimun? For like a debate ba? International eh. Tapos hindi ako naka, ang tawag doon? Ang Tagalog?
Hindi ka nakasama?
Hindi ako nakahabol kasi late ako. Kasi, oh my God, long story. Ta-transfer dapat ako, tapos chu. Hindi ako nakahabol, so yung friends ko lang nakapunta sa New York. Ako, naiwan ako sa school. Okay. So, sad ako, ganun. Tapos, nauna pa yung billboard sa akin. Nandun na siya. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you sa pa-billboard. Ang crazy talaga. Thank you. Nauna pa yung billboard sa akin. At least,
2 weeks kang nonchalant sa bahay.
Oo.
So,
So, at least, pagpunta ko sa New York in the future, masasabi kong, nakapunta na yung mukha ko dun. Wow! Thank you, guys! At so, meron din nagpa-billboard sa Jensen, sa Manila. Ayun, tsaka yung mga billboards ko here sa Manila. Thank you, guys. Grabe. Thank you sa mga reindeers, sa mga shippers, you know. Thank you, guys. Grabe kayo. Thank you, guys. Okay, we got the last one. From Reina Jen. Ako yung Reina Jen, diba? Happy 18th birthday, Reina. From Rain Chalan. Bakit Rain Chalan? Kasi nonchalant ako. I know.
Sabi.
Hindi, nonchalant talaga. Okay. Hi. It's letters. Okay, I will read from who, and then I will read privately kasi chismosa kayo. 0390. Yung first letter, 0390, tapos masarap na loyal. Tapos Reina Jen. Hello po. Wow, updated yung picture ah. Nangyari lang to, bago lang. Super Mawa. Ulan big winner ko. Vos me voyas at Ashi. Yo's archive. .0910. Haha, happy true. Ate Marie. Okay, umulit. I will read this later. Thank you, guys. Yeah, I'm a blink. Aw, thank you. That's it. That's it, abo. Wait, I'm gonna put it in one box, yung letters. Para ma-read ko siya later. Okay ka. Thank you so much!
Saya na daw.
Sayo? Tomorrow.
TikTok, solo TikTok.
Tomorrow.
Now.
So yeah, thank you so much! Magchika tayo muna before ako mag-live. Ano? Kamusta yung Coronadal? Coronadal, parang concert, grabe kasi. Parang yung venue, madilim na like, parang mini arena ba? So it's not nice, parang akong naging performer talaga. Thank you so much! Tapos grabe yung energy ng Coronaleños. So loud doon. Also Jensen, mga generals. Nice. I wanna talk to you, Rain. I wanna talk to you too. Katatawa. Rain, fave look ko yung Jensen fit mo. Nasuon ko si Jensen. Yung birthday ko? Yeah, I know, right? Ang smart ng outfit ko kasi, I was feeling a little Jen because it's my birthday, but at the same time, I'm feeling Rain, so it's a Raina Jen. Binubulong. Unsa? Merry Christmas, guys! Oh, hello.
Bibigyan ni Ate A yun na.
Oh, yeah, No, my outfit, my polo. It was given by Ate A. And Ate A has given me so much things and I'm thankful. Thank you po. Also, the surprise party, si Ate A, Ate Pat, very many reindeers. Also, Mama Bear and Ate Pat, galing nila mag-acting. Okay, story time. Ito pala. My God! Alam niyo paano yung surprise party? Paano ako na-surprise? Sabi ni Mama Bear is manager in Star Magic. Tapos, sabi niya,